So, good evening, guys. Welcome to another vlog, and I am your wild traveler. And this vlog is going to be a night vlog because I am going to show you, and we are going to see the Christmas vibe in Aizawl, Mizoram. So let's go and explore the streets on my bike. First of all, Christmas chibai vekule. Anai to boxia naktuk le Christmas ania. So day after tomorrow is Christmas, and today is 23rd of December. Today I decided, as I have started my vlogs on YouTube, so I have decided to take you to the streets of Aizawl during Christmas time and how it feels like, the vibe and all. Can you see the Aizawl city from here? Yeah, just in front of you, the Jugnu lights. There. If I go na kan thleng trip to kan thleng trip to ka ti ke nga chaw lom. La hi tro te decoration kan ya. So sa zuk te Christmas tree te. So fire tandurian siam don jo han tui don ve tun lai hi street food lang pang hi tam chi na chian te nen leng chu an wa thei nia khua vot box sia chuan chicken te nghe thil sang ning chu kala shuta ho han street food zong zong han ei kha chian te nen atui thei nia hi Temple Square ta concert te don hi sana don yang London về concert line kami traffic point bulakan nian khat fat do ni ta chu nak tuk sana ni anga kasilo voin sana changin ne nak tuk sana an la prepare meka tikul pui kon lai chu moi ve nice ve tun kuma chu ta ang man ti lo ni Christmas tree pon ni kuma kha no ma lian to kan helai po ang man ti lo ni so here the street looks very nice, man, very nice. So man, this year actually in Christmas, so tomorrow is the Christmas Eve, then day after is Christmas, then the day after is there is called Raiche. So I will talk it elaborately now. We have reached some Christmas themed places where people can take photos like this. Oh, here it's beautiful, man, the stars and all there. We'll be going slow. Mo itro tlang nuam lama chodeng ka voi khat kal na nya tlang nuam. Think about the day after Christmas Day. There is a bada khana, means a big gathering in every church. So they call it locally Roiche, means all people in one community, they gather in one place and eat together and chit chat together. It's just a happy place, and anyone can join that. You can, even you are not from Mizoram and you are just visiting Mizoram, you can join that anytime. You just don't have to be shy. Voksa ka ilo na rito ve voksa ka icha pang jo Roiche thil ka soi kha jo karilra voksa aluta e moi ve view ka. So here I returned back from that Tlang Cheipan mun tangin amla hong lo an tia daria tulan hong donan tia mison veng lama kaldeang. So you can see a part of Aizawl city here, and lots of places are now decorated by some colorful lights, which is looking beautiful. Hey, tachu eng ma anti dawa light fell afare ve when need to money to are khop me son veng to nom dom ni. This looks nice. Oh, so beautiful, man. Those sun-like fireballs. Wow, very creative. Looks very nice. Then from here, where should I go? Okay, I will go further. Oh, there is a Christmas tree. See, the little details are very nice in some streets. It's not just like all over Aizawl, but like this. Wow, nice, man. Man, where should I go, man? It's very nice. It's a missionary training college, Synod Multipurpose Training Center. I think it's Synod Veng or something. Yes, very nice. It's some shortcut, I think. Okay. Oh, it's like chal paper. It's a cafe or what? I don't know what is it. A Hmel ka cafe ka jo. There is a snowman. Oh, nice, man. Tun kum khat la po eng ma leu. See this place, it's beautiful. Oh, it's very fantastic. Kahome ka karinain are top ani Aizawl chu nagtuktuk like Christmas anya kasi preparation yan buhay lasa niyang ay biyakin lang pang decoration lamate may zong kan buhay matang ka rin hi vlog chu tikhan katop tiang see you in next vlog ka hot trip to tora thil ka leilo ka nga ka ho nga cho po ka lailo sa kasyam to cho ka iputanga anile bye bye and happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, Christmas chibai kule